Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, please check out my new channel, Wally World's blog. It's talking about making money online. That's all it is, devoted to making money online. Y'all, please check out my new book. It's in the link below. It's also about making money online. How easy it is. Anyone can do it. Don't miss those books. And please subscribe to that new channel. Okay. I've got a couple of things I want to tell you about, and then I will get into the really good news that I have. Okay, first of all, I had a question yesterday in the comments. A lady asked me, had I heard that we will be getting a third and a fourth stimulus check, and wanted to know what I thought about it. I have not heard anything about that. That's probably somebody using clickbait. Third and fourth stimulus check. There is something that I'm going to tell you about later that could be connected to this, but third and fourth stimulus check, I don't know about. Y'all, I'm going to ask for prayers for a man that's in this community. He's subscribed to my channel and he's asked for prayers. He was just diagnosed with stage 3 cancer. I don't remember his name. His name is not important. When we pray, God knows who he is, and God does answer prayers. He did for me. He saved me from stage 4 throat cancer, and he saved my wife from a real bad heart attack. Y'all, let's please pray for this man. We'll just tell God he's the man with stage 3 cancer that's on YouTube. God knows who he is. Let's pray for him. Let's get a healing for him. A lot of comments about the $300 billion for the stimulus check that Trump is talking about. They're saying that it's just a political move. Yes, they're probably right. But come on, if we can get the help, who cares why he's doing it? As long as the people can get the help that they need. Let's just be thankful that he's doing it. Okay. The multiple stimulus checks. Y'all, nothing is set in stone. Please don't read more into this than it is. I am not telling you we're getting multiple stimulus checks. Please listen to this very carefully. Steve Mnuchin said that the White House is open to multiple stimulus bills. He said the thing that's holding them up right now is Nancy Pelosi, refusal to negotiate. He said, let's pass the bill now that we can get passed. And in 30 days, if more is needed, we can pass another stimulus bill. Y'all, the $300 billion that Trump wants to send out as stimulus checks could go into this first stimulus bill. And that would actually cost nothing because the money is just sitting there not being used. Then in 30 days, when we get another bill, then they can argue about how much the next stimulus check will be. We would be getting 2 stimulus checks within 30 days. Again, is this a political move on Donald Trump's part? Yes, but who cares? I don't care, as long as he gets the help out to the people that needs it. Y'all, this is not set in stone, but it could easily give us 2 stimulus checks. Because everybody is agreeing on one right now to go into the next stimulus package. Okay, set that aside. Take the money that Donald Trump has, the $300 billion. Put that in the first skinny bill that they're trying to get passed. There's a stimulus check for us. Then in 30 days, when they revisit it and make another bill, then the one that they're all agreeing on right now, it can go into that bill. That's 2 stimulus checks. It could very well happen. Again, please don't read more into this than it is, because nothing is set in stone yet. Walter is not saying we're getting 2 stimulus checks. Walter is saying it is very possible that we could. We'll just have to wait and see. But now, I'm not picking on Nancy Pelosi here, but if she don't go for this, this will show how little she cares about the people and how she does not have a heart for the people. And if she don't go for it, she should be removed from the office now, not in November, now. Y'all, I've had enough of them dragging feet. They're just holding everything up for everybody. Y'all, these stimulus checks can happen. They should happen. We'll just have to wait and see. Y'all, please check on that food for kids programs. It is not food stamps. A lot of people is worried they would be asking for food stamps. Really and truly, there's no shame in food stamps. If you need help, you need help. You need it. So get it. There's a lot of people that's getting it that don't need it. They have no shame. So if you need help, take it. Y'all, the food program for kids, you don't have to apply for anything. All you got to do is just show up. And if you call this number, 1-866-348-6479, they will tell you where to go. Or you could text Summer Meal to 97779. And they will tell you in your community where you can go pick up this free food. Y'all don't miss this. This is free food for the kids until the first of the year. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. And go over and check out my other channel, Wally World's Blogs. We're talking about nothing but how to make money online. Y'all, I've had several businesses in the past. I've got 3 online businesses now. And a lot of people saying they can't start a business because they don't have the money to do it. Out of all my business online, I have never paid a penny to start a business. You can do it for free. And if you go to my channel, I'm going to teach you how. Somebody wanted to know, am I going to teach everything in one video? You can't do that. That's impossible. When you go to school, you don't go to school for one day and learn everything. So, subscribe to that channel, and over time, you will learn everything that I learned. But you won't have to have the pitfalls that I had. So, your path will be easier than mine was. I learned from my mistakes, and I want to pass that on to you. So please join that, subscribe to that YouTube channel. The link will be in the bottom, along with a link to my books. Y'all, please subscribe to this channel, and just know I love you all. Until the next time, we will get out of this with our heads held high. We just got to keep our faith in God that He's going to see us through. And please don't forget to pray for the guy that has a stage 3 cancer. We don't need to know his name. God knows his name. God will heal him. God said 2 or more people comes together with prayer, it will be answered. There's a lot of us here. Y'all proved that with my wife and also with me. I love you all. Until the next time, ciao.